Good morning, students. Okay, so this class also we are going to discuss about triangles and their angles. Okay, last class we discussed about triangles and their interior angles and exterior angles. What do you mean by interior angles? What is interior angle? Interior angle means the angles which are inside the triangle. Then what is exterior angle? Exterior angle means the angles which come outside the triangle. When we extend one side, we will get an exterior angle. So, interior angle we discussed, exterior angle we discussed, and other property we discussed is what? Straight angle. Can you say what is a straight angle? Straight angle means angle formed in a straight line. That means angle formed in a straight line. It gives what? We all know. We have the instrument also. What is the name of that instrument? That is protractor. We use protractor to measure the angle. So when a straight line means it angle is how much? It is 180 degree. The angle in a straight line is 180 degree. So today we are going to discuss about the other property of a triangle. That means in a triangle there are three interior angles. So now this is a triangle. Okay. In this triangle, angle X, angle Y and Z are the angles. So interior angle means I have marked here. It is the angles which is formed inside. So now the objective today we are going to discuss is about sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum means what? When we gather together, when we add all these three angles, we will get 180 degree. So that is the thing we are going to study here. Sum of the interior angles. Which are the interior angles here? Angle X, angle Y and angle Z. So angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z, we have to get what? 180 degree. So for this one, I am going to show an activity which is proving that sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We can prove it by different ways. So I will explain the three methods which you can prove this. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. First one is you can measure the three angles. You can measure angle X with the protractor, then angle Y, then angle Z and find the sum. If it is 180 or not, we can check like. Next, we can cut the three angles and make it in a straight line. That is the second activity. And third activity, we can use the software, that is GeoGebra software, and you can find the sum. So here I am going to do the second activity to prove that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degree. Okay, next we are going to the activity. So here in this board there are two triangles. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So from this triangle ABC I am going to remove all the angles. Okay, ABC I am going to remove all the angles. And next I am going to paste this in a semicircle. Okay, that means here look here. Now this is a straight line. Angle in a straight line is how much degree? It is 180 degree. Okay, now we are moving to the second triangle. Okay, here I am taking the angles of a second triangle. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Three angles I removed. Now I am going to paste this one. Okay, here this is a straight line. Let me check whether it forms a straight angle or not. Okay. Okay, see, now this is also a straight angle, so it is also 180 degree. So from this what we can understand, the angles formed in any triangle. So sum of the angles of any triangle gives 180 degree. From that activity we understood for any triangle the sum of the three angles add up to how much degree? 180 degree. So here the triangle is what? Triangle X, Y, Z. So we can write it as angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z gives how much degree? Okay, it is 180 degree. So So what we can understand? Sum of the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degree.